thousands of ways into the complex healthcare system.
I'm right.
And United Healthcare has ways to make the system simpler, like virtual doctor visits.
What happened here?
I came in too hot.
The method of persuasion this commercial uses most is logos. This commercial uses humor to show how simple fun, like recreating the famous scene from the Dirty Dancing movie, can lead to the need for insurance. The character came in too hot, as she says, in her dancing and needed immediate medical care since she fell over her husband and crashed into a table. Luckily for them, United Healthcare provides logic with virtual care, so they were able to get seen by a doctor from the convenience of their own home through their computer. Second place for In Motion is this Maya Angelou commercial about acceptance.
I note the obvious differences in the human family. Some of us are serious. Some thrive on comedy. I've sailed upon the 7 seas and stopped in every land. I've seen the wonders of the world. Not yet one common man. I know 10,000 women called Jane and Mary Jane. I've not seen any two who really were the same. Mirror twins are different, although their features jibe. I note the obvious differences between each sort and type, but we are more alike, my friends, than we are unalike. We are more alike, my friends, than we are unalike.
The method of persuasion for this commercial is Pathos. This commercial really shows how, as a world filled with diversity, we are truly all more alike than we are not. And we need to accept and embrace one another, and we need to celebrate our differences and not judge one another. Now, third place, in my opinion, is this Kia commercial with celebrity actress Melissa McCarthy.
Hey, Melissa, the whales need your help.
I love whales! Go, Melissa! I think I got whales!
Hey, Melissa, now the trees need you. The ice caps are in trouble. Hey, Melissa, now the rhinos need saving.
Rhinos!
It's hard to be an eco-warrior, but it's easy to drive like one. Introducing the most fuel-efficient crossover, the Kia Niro.
Oh, come on!
Now, the method used here is Ethos. This commercial is endorsed, like I said, by celebrity Melissa McCarthy. She sets off to save the planet, and she does so by traveling from location to location in her Kia. So this commercial shows how she can accomplish so much and so conveniently, even when going across the world, by driving her Kia. And now, the champion of all media, the most persuasive piece of media, in my opinion, is this anti-smoking commercial.
I'm Mary, and I used to be a smoker. I want to give you some tips about getting ready in the morning. Wash your teeth, then wig, then your head redefined, and now you're ready for the day.
The message is intended for those who smoke or use tobacco, those considering the use, and those who have loved ones using these products. This commercial uses pathos, emotion, and logos, logic, to persuade people not to use tobacco by by showing the horrific impact it can have on someone's life. This commercial is arguing that people should not smoke or utilize tobacco because of the pain and suffering it can potentially cause down the road. This campaign shows how Terry gets ready for the day after the effects of treatments for throat cancer that caused her to lose her hair, her teeth, and impacted her throat and her voice. This commercial can also target youths, showing them the seriousness of smoking so that they don't ever even consider it an option in their life. It also encourages those who currently smoke, whether leisurely or daily, that it's not worth risking